you have weekends off, just because you can work well for the system on the other 5. Your 9-to-5 job ends at 5, just because you can spend what you have earned afterwards. Wake up, man. Whole system is designed to make you work until you are useless for them. System is designed to make you earn and give away all. They have told you that you only live once, so who cares about saving and investing? Think about it. They give you credit cards not to build your wealth, but to guarantee that your future labor belongs to them. Your salary is calculated to be just enough to keep you coming back on Monday, but never quite enough to let you escape. Schools teach you exactly how to serve to the system, deliberately leaving out how money actually works. Wake up, man. Do you really think that few genius people invented social media just because to make you more social? No. System provided the most advanced technology to the chosen ones, just because to lead your intentions, desires, and choices, just to lead cultures and society. Think about it. You are heavily encouraged to buy things you don't need, to impress people who don't actually care about you. Social media algorithms are engineered to trigger your insecurities, which are then instantly cured by clicking a targeted ad. Fast fashion trends change weekly, making you feel outdated, so you continuously buy clothes you will only wear once. You are heavily encouraged to upgrade your car every few years, ensuring you are always paying off a rapidly depreciating asset. The modern system isolates you into small nuclear families, breaking community bonds, so you have to buy the services communities used to provide for free. Wake up, man. They have sold enough products to you. Right now, they are willing to have a permanent pipeline to your wallet. Streaming services and endless entertainment are cheap, perfectly designed to numb your ambition after a long day of building someone else's dream. Convenience is weaponized against you. Food delivery and ride shares silently drain your future wealth a few dollars at a time. Subscription models replaced ownership, guaranteeing you have to pay a monthly ransom forever for things you used to buy once. Wake up, man. They are trying to distract you. They build a massive LED screens to cover what is going on. Think about it. The news focuses on endless political drama to distract you from the silent transfer of wealth happening every single day. A standard annual raise barely covers inflation, keeping you in the exact same financial trap while making you feel rewarded. Student loans are offered to 18-year-olds who don't understand debt, locking them into decades of forced corporate loyalty. Holidays are heavily commercialized to ensure your hard-earned annual bonuses flow right back to the corporations that paid them. They widely advertise lotteries as a magical way out, effectively acting as a voluntary desperation tax on the poor. Wake up, man. They made you steal from your older self. While you were trying to save desperately, they were exploiting society. Think about it. The stock market is framed as a risky casino for the middle class, while institutional investors trade on inside data you will never see. Retirement at 65 is a carefully calculated metric, ensuring you give your best years to the machine before you can peacefully rest. Inflation isn't a natural economic flaw. It's a choice made by governments to make you run on the treadmill. The banking system pays you pennies in interest while lending your own money out at double digits to enrich themselves. You are taught to fear market crashes, but that is exactly the moment when the wealthy buy up the assets you panic sell. Wake up, man. You think you are building a career, but you are just renting out your life force. They designed the modern workplace to take everything from you and give back just enough to keep you alive for tomorrow. Think about it. Healthcare is often tied to employment, so that the sheer fear of losing your safety net keeps you from quitting a job you hate. The system glorifies hustle culture, so you willingly burn yourself out just to increase a corporation's profit margins. Commuting is essentially unpaid labor. You lose hours every week just traveling to the place that extracts your value. The concept of climbing the corporate ladder is a psychological trick to make you fight your peers instead of questioning the system. You are made to feel incredibly guilty for taking sick days, conditioning you to prioritize corporate productivity over your physical health. The corporate narrative of paying your dues is just a convenient excuse to deeply underpay young workers during their most energetic years. Minimum wage laws aren't about a living standard. They are the absolute lowest amount a company is legally permitted to value your life. They normalized dual-income households not for equality, but to double the taxable workforce and dramatically inflate housing prices. Wake up, man. They rigged the game before you even learned how to play. They don't want you wealthy. They want you indebted and dependent. Your lack of financial education wasn't an accident. It was their master plan. Think about it. Financial literacy is completely omitted from the school curriculum because an educated population cannot be easily exploited. You are conditioned to trade your finite, irreplaceable time for fiat currency that central banks can print infinitely out of nothing. You are taxed when you earn, taxed when you spend, and taxed when you die, constantly feeding a system that demands more. Mortgages are framed as the ultimate dream, yet the word literally translates to death pledge in Old French. They convince you that renting is throwing money away, trapping you into a 30-year, interest-heavy contract with a bank instead. The concept of a credit score trains you to be a perfectly obedient debtor, rewarding you only when you borrow more. They heavily promote traditional savings accounts as the responsible choice, knowing fiat debasement will slowly erode your purchasing power to zero. Wake up, man. They create the poison, sell you the cure, and charge you for the privilege. From the food you eat to the things you buy, every choice is an illusion designed to drain your pocket and feed your ego. Think about it. They make processed food cheap and healthy food expensive, guaranteeing a highly profitable cycle of medical dependency later in life. Sales and massive discounts give you the illusion of saving money, tricking you into spending the capital you were supposed to invest. Planned obsolescence guarantees your phone and appliances will break down, forcing you back into the endless consumer cycle. VIP tiers and luxury branding exploit your human ego, making you pay a massive premium just for the illusion of feeling superior. The grand illusion of choice in the supermarket hides the uncomfortable fact that a handful of megacorporations own every single brand you buy. They tell you to enthusiastically follow your passion, knowing that monetizing your hobbies will eventually turn everything you love into stressful work. Wake up, man. The rules don't apply to the rule makers. While you play by the book, they are writing a completely different script. They want you focused on paper straws while they burn the forest down. Think about it. They tell you to safely diversify your tiny portfolio, while the elites concentrate their wealth in assets that control the system. Bank bailouts socialize the immense risks of the elite, while aggressively privatizing all the profits at the direct expense of the working class. Algorithmic trading extracts millions in milliseconds, while you are patiently told to hold your mutual funds for 40 years. You are told to save the planet by using paper straws, while a fraction of global corporations are responsible for the vast majority of all emissions. Wake up, man. Ultimately, the entire system is designed to keep you so tired, busy, and distracted that you never have the energy to question the rules of the game.